This 4-door, 5-passenger truck will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features an automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, automatic dimming door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.